Hey guys, it's David and Jamie from It Ain't Over Ministries. We have a new package here, and it is from our merch shop, and we just want to. This is our first time seeing this stuff as well, so we just want to put it out there and let everyone else see what we have. So we're fixing to go ahead and start the unboxing. Let's see what we have. Okay, and for the unboxing, so let's see what we have. So here's the shirt. It is black.
We ordered one t-shirt, 2 stickers, and a coffee mug. And this has our ministry's logo on it. We can get a little close here. Now, just to let everybody know that since we ordered this stuff, we have updated the designs and made some newer, some better. Got rid of some of the jankier looking ones. So what else do we get there, honey?
Okay, so everything's sealed up really good.
Packaging was done really good. Like we said, this is the first time we've dealt with this company, and we just made a random order to see kind of what the merchandise looks like, because we don't want y'all to be ordering stuff and paying money for something that's janky.
So here's some stickers.
So these are you see they're glossy. Not bad. This is the It Ain't Over Ministries Training and Equipping Disciples logo for our YouTube channel, and this one is just a logo of It Ain't Over Ministries. You can see right here they peel off and they have transparent backgrounds. Not bad. So what else did we get?
We saved the best for last. Okay. I need a little help on this one here.
They packaged it so good you can't even get in it. And this is the coffee mug that we ordered.
That's really nice. The coffee mug.
So the coffee mug also has our It Ain't Over Ministries logo on it. And it's only on one side. Go ahead and turn it around. The other side is blank. So,
And the inside is black.
yes, it's I believe they call it two-tone or something. Not bad. That's real. Let me see. That's got that's really nice quality there. I am impressed. Any closing thoughts, honey?
So I just want to say that the material on the shirt is some good quality material. It is, in fact, 100% cotton. And just to let you know, this is our first design. And once again, like he said a while ago, we have done some updates and made different designs and have different ideas, and we will be adding more designs and different ideas as we go along. So I just want to say that, to let you know that it is the It Ain't Over Ministries Outkast Apparel and Accessories merch shop. It can be accessed through our ministry's website under the Donate tab. You just click the Donate tab and it'll take you to the store. And just remember that all the donations, all the proceeds go straight into the ministry to fund the needs of the ministry. So if you will, just go to the website and check it out. Let us know what you think. Order something, show your friends, family, and just get us out there. And on the website you can access It ain't the Remnant Bible Study, where you can do tests and you can read blogs. We also do podcasts. It's also on YouTube. So just check it out. There's a wide variety of things that we're doing and a wide variety of things to come. And as always, thank y'all.
Thank you.
God
Bye-bye.
bless.